From the outside, Melissa Smith might even seem crazy, sacrificing her own comfort just to help dogs. But once you meet her, it's easy to see that she's not a lunatic. She's just a woman with a big heart who's crazy about canines. Melissa Smith will jokingly tell you she doesn't get much company, human company that is, because with 21 dogs, her mobile home is always a full house.
They're separated, they're all taken care of. I get them spayed, neutered, I find good homes for them. It's not their fault that people have dumped them.
But the owner of the half-acre property where she's been living for a year notified her that it's no longer available. So Melissa has just 6 days to find somewhere that can hold her trailer and her furry friends.
I just got to find somewhere extremely fast to move so that they don't end up dead, because I'm not going to allow that to happen.
Smith swears she's not a hoarder. She claims to have adopted out 100 dogs this year and only considers 2 of her current 21 to be her permanent pets. She's a Humane Society volunteer and says area shelters are already full.
This one I found on the side of the road, and she had nails driven in her eyes by a person, and she's totally blind and she can't go anywhere else.
Many of the dogs she fosters have disabilities, like Chico, who has a spinal cord injury, and others who've had their eyes gouged out or are facing blindness or lack of hearing. Smith saved enough money to move her mobile home but can't afford to buy land. Tonight she's praying for someone to step forward with an affordable rental property for her and, more importantly, the rest of her family.
I can't euthanize them. I have to have a place that I can have my dogs.
Now, Smith is seeking a half-acre where she can keep her trailer, put up fencing, and have a few dog houses. If you'd like to help Smith continue to foster these dogs, call 432-552-1832 and leave a message with your name and phone number. For reporting live in the studio, Bo Berman, CBS 7 News.